Hello and good morning students. I am Shudipto, your English teacher. Today I am going to give you the answer of chapter 6, simple and continuous tense. Okay, it is your chapter, it is from your grammar book, chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is simple and continuous tense. I will give you the whole portion, the exercise question answer. Okay, so stay tuned with me. Before that, I'll make you once clear what is simple and continuous tense. You know it very well that what is tense? Tense is the form of a verb to indicate the time of an action. Means which time a verb is occurring, that particular time is called tense. There are three tenses. One is present tense, past tense and future tense. Each and every tense is divided into four segments. One is simple, means indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, such as present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In the same way, past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Okay. So what is simple present? The uses of simple present is to state a universal truth such as sun rises in the east, to describe something that has been happening for some time and it's still continuing. To refer to something that happens regularly on a habitual basis, such as my mother reads a book every night. So in this way we can use simple present tense. And what is simple continuous tense? Simple past, simple future, present continuous. What is present continuous tense? To describe an action that is happening now. Now, I mean in this time it is going on, in this time it is happening. To describe an action that has been going on over a period of time but may not be going on at a time of speaking. Such as Ram is going to gym these days, or Ram is going to take tuitions these days. Okay, for an action that will take place in the near future. I am going to watch a cinema, I am going to watch a play. So in this situation we can use continuous tense. So here I am going to give you the answers from your exercise. Open at page number 57. Learned segment it is. Fill in the blanks with simple and continuous tenses. Follow the instruction in the brackets. First is, how long dash you dash in Hyderabad? You have to write in simple future. So it would be, how long will you be in Hyderabad? Now second question, I dash have fruits in my bag. In simple present, I have some fruits in my bag. Question number 3, the children dash their grandfather last week. The children visited their grandfather last week. Now, please ask your parents if they dash to the fundraiser tomorrow. So please ask your parents if they are going to the fundraiser tomorrow. Question number 5, the cows dash in the fields when the tiger attacked them. The cows were grazing in the field when the tiger attacked them. Question number 6. He said that he dash after lunch. Future, you have to write it future continuous tense. He said that he will be coming after lunch. If you want me dash to speak guardians about the trip, you have to write it simple continuous. Simple future. So if you want, we will speak to your guardians about the trip. Question number 8. They dash to another city next month. So they, you have to write into present continuous. They are moving to another city next month. John dash in a band in Kolkata 10 years ago. John, you have to write into simple past. John played in a band in Kolkata 10 years ago. Now question number 10. Dash you dash for the play this evening. You have to write present continuous. Are you going for a play this evening? Okay. If you want to write, just write. Pause this video or take a screenshot. What you want to do, just do it. Now, next, practice A. Rewrite this paragraph using simple past tense. Okay, here is the answer. I am just going to read the paragraph with the correct tense. I was a singer. I was also part of a club where amateur singers for various parts of the world met every month to discuss issues like stage fright. Sometimes I trained young singers and helped them gain confidence. I wished I had more time and money to do this. I wanted to train young singers in their teens. I hope to start a music school in the near future. So it is the answer of practice question number A. Okay. Now go to question number B. Fill in the blanks with the present, past or future continuous tenses for the verbs in the brackets. There can be more than one correct answer. Okay. As usual, the neighbors are playing loud music in the middle of the night. Question number 2. Please let me know if you will attend the conference tomorrow. The delegates are discussing how the problem can be solved when the fire alarm went off. The young man was lifting weights at the gym when he pulled a muscle. 5. He dash not dash in the competition next week. Question number 5. He will not sing in the competition next week. My friend dash music for the popular filmmaker. He has not spent in 3 nights. So my friend is composing music for the popular filmmaker. He has not slept in 3 nights. Question number 7. The minister dash the residents and telling them to keep the city clean and green. The minister is addressing the residents and telling them to keep the city clean and green. My brother dash video games when I came home from work. My brother was playing video game when I came back from work. This evening I dash the panel discussion of the news channel. This evening I will watch the panel discussion on the news channel. Question number 10. She dashed to Brazil next week. She will travel, or she will be traveling, or she travels. Everything may be correct here. Okay. Now go to next segment, that is C. Rewrite these statements using the tense mentioned in the brackets. Make other necessary changes with reference to time. 3 of my friends will go coming over to my place next Sunday. So simple past. 3 of my friends came over to my place last Sunday. Question number 2. The gardener was amazed at how the children had taken care of the garden while he was away. The gardener is amazed at how the children take care of the garden while he is away. Question number 3. I am going to the market and taking the shopping list with I'm taking the shopping list with me. Simple future. I will go to the market and take the shopping list with me. Question number 4. The doctor asked my mother to take rest, but she didn't listen. You have to write into simple present. The doctor asks my mother to take rest, but she doesn't listen. Question number 5. The little girl paints portraits beautifully. Past continuous tense में. Question number 5. The little girl was painting portraits beautifully. Next, question number 6. We climbed the guava tree when the owner of the orchard came running at us. Past continuous. We were climbing the guava tree when the owner of the orchard came running at us. Question number 7. The girls planned a party for Sunday. Future continuous. The girl will be planning a party for Sunday. Question number 8. The storm destroyed crops and frightened the animals in the barn. Question number 8. The storm will destroy crops and frighten the animals in the barn. Question number 9. The hotel manager will be moving us to another suite. Simple past. The hotel manager moved us to another suite. Question number 10. The organizers asked the audience to keep their mobile phones switched off. Present continuous. The organizers are asking the audience to keep their mobile phones switched off. So this segment or this chapter, simple and continuous tenses, is completed. Student, I think in these days you are not so attentive at your study. You are very inattentive at your study. because some of the parents called me, and they called that their sons or their daughters are not following, are not reading well, are not studying well at home. Student, I like to share something that in this situation, it is a leisure time to you. As much as you read now, as you grow with the knowledge, it is the time to gain more and more knowledge, because you may take it, this time is just holiday for you. So it is a spare time, it's a leisure time for you. Try to use this time, okay? Try to use this time more and more. As more you can learn, as more you will know each and every typical and technical matter of your study, of your books, of your lessons. So students, it is a very crucial time, right? That is, we know it very well. But stay focused on your study, stay safe at your home. If you are, if you are staying well at home, so our hard work will be successful. Okay, so I just want to tell you more that stay tuned with us, be attentive at your lesson, be focused on your lesson. I'll be there in front of you with the new lesson, the new question answer, new preparation. So that, have a good day, stay tuned with us. Thank you and have a great day for you. Thank you.